Maximizing your earnings. Tips and tricks for successful affiliate marketing online. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about affiliate marketing and the different types that exist. Affiliate marketing is a popular way for people to make money online by promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission for any sales made through their unique affiliate link. It's a great way to monetize your website or social media presence without having to create your own products. So, let's get started with the different types of affiliate marketing. Pay-per-click, PPC. This is where you get paid for every click on your affiliate link. This type of affiliate marketing is popular with bloggers and website owners as it doesn't require any actual sales to be made, just clicks. However, the commission for each click is usually quite small. So you need a lot of clicks to make a significant amount of money. Pay-per-sale, PPS. This is the most common type of affiliate marketing, where you get paid a percentage of the sale price for any sales made through your unique affiliate link. The commission for each sale is usually higher than with PPC, but you need to have some sales skills to be successful. Pay-per-lead, PPL. This is where you get paid for every lead or referral that you send to the merchant's website. The commission for each lead is usually lower than with PPS. But it's still a good way to make money if you have a large audience. Now that we've covered the different types of affiliate marketing, let's look at some practical examples. For PPC, you could promote a software tool or an online course that offers a free trial or demo. You could create a blog post or a YouTube video reviewing the tool and including your affiliate link, and then promote it through social media and email marketing. For PPS, you could promote physical products from an online retailer like Amazon or a digital product from an e-commerce platform like ClickBank. You could create a product review or a top 10 list and include your affiliate link in the description or in a call to action. For PPL, you could promote a free trial or sign-up offer for a service like a dating site or an email marketing tool. You could create a landing page or a lead magnet to entice people to sign up, and then promote it through social media and email marketing. When it comes to which type of affiliate marketing is more suitable for beginners, I suggest starting with pay-per-sale, PPS. Although PPS requires some sales skills, it can be more profitable than PPC if you have the right product and audience. Additionally, PPL requires a large audience to be successful, and may be more difficult for beginners to generate enough leads. However, if you are interested in PPC or PPL, there are resources available to help you learn more and get started. If you're a beginner looking to start earning money through affiliate marketing, I highly recommend our free training program. In this training, we'll cover everything you need to know about affiliate marketing, including how to get started with PPC and PPS, and how to promote products that your audience will love. You'll also learn how to find the right products to promote, how to create engaging content that converts, and how to track your progress and optimize your campaigns for success. By signing up for our free training program, you'll get access to all of our training materials, including videos, cheat sheets, and templates, and you'll be able to start earning money right away. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced marketer, our program is designed to help you succeed in the world of affiliate marketing. So, there you have it, the different types of affiliate marketing, practical examples, and which one is more suitable for beginners. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.